Hey you guys, it's me Shania and I'm back again with another video. Now today's video is going to be special because I'm going to be collaborating with another YouTube creator and her name is Tariro. I hope I said it right. I'm sorry if I didn't. And she has her own YouTube channel where she basically specializes in like jewelry and accessories and even some like room decor things. So you guys should definitely head over to her channel. So just check the link in the description box and go check her out because she's pretty cool. In this spring summer season 2018, something that was really popular on the runway was long statement earrings like these ones. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make long tassel statement earrings inspired by Oscar de la Renta. So yeah, let's get into it. First thing you want to do is you want to draw 4 rectangles. Each rectangle should be 1.75 inches wide and 3/4 of an inch long. And then you want to trace a dime, and you obviously want 4 circles. And then just cut out the shapes and you should have this. Now you're going to take some glue. I highly recommend this felt glue because it dries really well and it's super strong. Then you want to start beading your pieces of felt so it looks like this. Since I wasn't able to find a string of white beads, I just created my own string of beads by using needle and thread and putting the beads on the thread with the help of the needle. Now you want to put some glue on the rectangle shape and then just spread it out with a stick and then just apply your string of beads, and I use the sort of zigzag back and forth kind of pattern to get nice clean rows of the beads. And then you just want to repeat this with all 4 rectangles, so it should look like this. And then you're going to take your 2 circles and you're going to do the same thing. So just glue down the circle and then apply your string of beads in a circular pattern. And you're only going to do this with 2 of the circles. So in total, you should have 6 beaded pieces like this. So now you're gonna line up your fringe along the width of your rectangle and you're gonna fold it in half and then you're gonna cut it. So you should basically have a tassel that is the width of the rectangle times 2, and you'll need 2 pieces. Put aside one of those tassels. You're gonna take the beaded rectangle, apply some glue to it, then you're gonna take one of those tassels and fold it in half and glue it to the back of the beaded rectangle. Then you're going to apply some glue to the top layer of the tassel. Now if you want, you can put glue on all layers of the tassel, like right here in between, just to get extra support, but you're good if you just put it on the top. And then you're just going to take the other beaded rectangle and sandwich it on top. And when you're done, you should have 2 pieces that look like this. Just set them aside and give them some time to dry. And once you've let them dry, you're just going to hand stitch a sort of back and forth zigzag between all layers of the rectangles and the tassels to make sure that everything is neatly in place and securely in place. Then you're going to take your circle beaded felt and you're going to flip it over and you're going to glue an earring post to it. You can use a regular post or clip-on as you wish. And then you're just going to put the clip-on piece onto the back of the earring. Then you're going to take your other circle that's not beaded and you're going to sandwich it on top of the metal piece. Let it dry and then just sew it all around the circle. And you want to make sure that you really get between each layer when you're sewing so that you know for sure it's going to be secure. And you're just going to continue this all around the circle until it's nice and secure. So the final step is to connect the circle to the top of the rectangle. The best way to do that is take your needle and stick it through the center of the rectangle and then through the back of the circle on one side of the earring post, and then again through the front of the circle on the other side of the earring post, and then through the back of the rectangle but in the center. And then you're just going to keep repeating this. So again, the steps are, once you have your needle in the center of the rectangle, you're going to stick it through the back of the circle on one side of the post, and then you're going to bring it through the front of the circle on the other side of the post, and then you're going to stick the needle through the back of the rectangle but in the center. Alright, and just keep going until you feel like it's nice and secure. And when you finish, it should look like this. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And remember to check out Tari Rose's video on her statement earrings as well, okay? And show her some love and tell her that I sent you, alright? So until next time, I'll see you guys in the next one. Ciao!